Hello, we are students of the Al-Farabi Kazakh National University. We have prepared a mini performance in honor of the 180th anniversary of Abai Qunanbaiuly.
Si tu vois le mal, ne dis rien. Si tu fais le bien, n'en dis bien. L'un doit être sage et fier, sans se vanter de son savoir. Recule de autres, mais non toi qu'une vraie raison. Si tu vois l'obstacle, tiens bon, que la vérité te couronne.
Finché non sai, stai zitto. Finché vaghi, stai zitto. Nei giorni e nelle notti senza scopo, non cercare svaghi vuoti. Essere umano è parte dell'umanità. Sei uguale per l'età. Sconfiggi 5 nemici e scegliene 5 amici.
Broad-shouldered, white-coated, powdered with snow, blind and down with a great big silvery beard, grant that winter plus on his front and his brow, by everything living hated and feared. The grumpy old fellow does plenty of harm. His breeze stirs up blizzards, brings snow and cold. With a cloud for a head of his shaggy head, he marches along all the world in his hold. His beetling eyebrows are knit in frown. When he tosses his head, dismal and snow starts to fall. Like a crazy old camel, he acts in his rage, rocking and shaking our yurta's thin wall. If the children run out to play in the yard, he pinches their noses and cheeks with cruel hands. No sheepskin can keep out the freezing cold. With his back to the wind, the shepherd stands. The horses in vain try to shut the eyes. The hungry herd scarcely shuffle their feet. The greedy wolves winter, henchmen bare their fangs. Watch or disaster your flocks may meet. Drive them off to safe pastures, don't wait until day. You won't die if you sleep less, come quicken your step. Kondubai and Kondai aren't as wicked as wolves, don't let old man winter feast in our steps.